Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add language in Webnode. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just being simply Webnode, then just go to settings, and right here you want to click on languages, and here you want to add a new language. What you need to do is actually upgrade your plan, so we'll have a link down below in the description, but this is where you do it, and then you just like choose language, and then you go like with the standard or Profi. In standard you're gonna have 2 languages. In Profi it's going to have multiple languages, so it's like up to which one you actually choose, and that's pretty much it. So this is how we do it, guys. It's really simple and really easy. And yeah, goodbye.